Is your phone lacking or feeling slow? Here is a quick trick to speed it up in seconds.
So go to settings, then you go to apps, go to manage apps, choose the app, for example TikTok, click on it. Then when you click on it, you click on clear data, you click on clear cache, and click on OK. For iPhone users, click on your settings, tap on Safari, then tap on clear history and website data, then tap on clear all history. Go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, select an app and click on offload app. This will help you free up space without deleting the data.
For the best results, restart your phone after clearing the cache. Try it now and let me know if your phone feels faster.